So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Talim. So today I am gonna show you that how you can stake your Ariva ARV tokens on Ariva.finance. So recently Ariva announced that it will allow the staking over their website Ariva.finance. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake your ARV tokens in a single pair and get up to right now 23% APY on Ariva coins. So that's all in this video I am covering, and I will tell you step by step process. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update of any update of my upcoming video. So here at my channel I upload videos regarding crypto, so that you staking, and so that make sure to subscribe the channel. So first of all, so let's move to our topic. So first of all, you need two things. Okay, so first of all you have to have a MetaMask account, and you have some Ariva tokens. Okay, and have some BNB for gas fees. So second is you have to open Ariva.finance website. Okay, so Ariva recently announced on Twitter that they will start staking Ariva ARV tokens on their website. Okay, so first of all you have to uh, open your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so here you can see that I am just connecting with my second account. So this is my second account, as you can see that. So here you can see that I have 0 BNB and 0 ARV tokens. So here you have to minimum you have to add minimum BNB for covering gas fee. Okay, so I assume that you have enough ARV on your wallet and you have enough BNB in your wallet. Okay, so when you have opened this wallet on Chrome, you just have to go to this website. Okay, I have given the link in the description. You just have to open this website Ariva.finance, and this is the official website of Ariva. Okay, so here you can see above two options, buy Ariva and connect wallet, and you have to click on connect wallet. Okay, so here you can see three options, MetaMask, trust wallet and wallet connect. So I am doing this tutorial by MetaMask, so I am pretty sure that your tokens will be in MetaMask wallet. Okay, so here I will connect my MetaMask account, and here this pop-up will come, and here I have to select my account with Ariva token. So make sure to select that account in which your Ariva tokens are present. Okay, so here I will select I am just testing it out, and I am selecting my second account. Okay, so I have to connect this MetaMask account with this website. So here you can see that my wallet is connected. So here my last digits are 7CFA, and here my last digits are same. Okay, so my wallet is connected right now. So here you can see Ariva just started two staking options. Ariva is giving two staking option. First option is automatic restaking. Okay, so in the first option you are getting 23% APY, and total 862 million ARY tokens are just staked right now after 2 hours. Okay, so and second option is manual ARY. Okay, so in the manual option you are getting about 21% APY, and 998 million tokens are staked on this option. So in the first option you don't have to claim your tokens manually. uh, if you earn tokens in 1 week, your tokens will be automatically added in your actual volume and will be automatically restaking. Okay, so in the manual, in the second step you have to claim your rewards manually and restake them, and this is the just the difference between two options. Okay, so if you want to stake your token in the first step, you have to click on here show, and you will see the details. So here you have to click on enable. Okay, so here you have to just approve the contract, and this, you have to pay small gas fee. Okay, so here I don't have enough funds right now in this wallet, so I am not approving this. I have to click on reject, but you have to click on confirm. Okay, so when you click on confirm, this pop-up will disappear, and you will here see the option of staking. Okay, so I am just connecting to my main wallet so that I can show you how this option will come. Okay, so here I just disconnect my wallet and connect my MetaMask wallet. So here is this coming again, so I have to just remove this website right now. So currently I am on my main wallet right now, and I just connect my wallet, MetaMask wallet. uh, uh, so here I have to connect my main wallet in order to show you how this work. Okay, so here I have to restart website. So okay, so my main wallet is connected right now. Okay, so my main wallet is connected right now, and I just approve the, okay, approve the staking. So here you can see this stake now option. You have to click on stake now option, and you have to enter your available ARY tokens. Okay, so you have to enter your tokens you want to stake, and you have to click on stake now option. So, and this is just the step on how you can actually stake your ARY tokens on Ariva.finance, and this is the simple process. I have show you step by step process on how to stake your option. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So I have given the link of this website below, and I have given all the links on how where you can buy these Ariva tokens in the description. So make sure to check it out, and that's all in this video.